Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use liquid Carnitine 3000. First, always check the product label for specific serving size instructions, as these can vary. Generally, one serving is about 15 milliliters, which you can easily measure with the cap that comes with the bottle. You can take this directly or mix it with water or juice. Consistency is key for optimal benefits. For maximum effectiveness, many people prefer to take liquid Carnitine 3000 about 20 to 30 minutes before their workout. This timing helps support energy production during exercise. If you're not exercising, you can take it with a meal. Feel free to mix it with 4 to 8 ounces of water, juice, or your preferred drink to improve the taste and make it easier to consume. The 3000 in liquid Carnitine 3000 refers to 3000 milligrams per serving, which is a common and effective dose. It's important to stick to this recommended amount and avoid exceeding it. For the best results, make sure to take your liquid Carnitine consistently every day. This includes both your workout days and your rest days to maintain steady levels in your body. To keep your liquid Carnitine 3000 fresh and effective, store the bottle in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. A pantry or cupboard is usually ideal. Remember to give the bottle a gentle shake before each use to ensure the ingredients are well mixed. Also, always stay well hydrated throughout the day, as this supports overall health and supplement absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.